Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. So I'm presenting you today the challenge number 7. Now in this video I will share with you a notations and I will play with it. And definitely I will guide you how to play this notation. But your task is you need to perform, you need to play this, record this and send back to me. Any one of you who is interested in music and interested to play in flute, please do share your video with me. I will share my WhatsApp number over there. Definitely you can share. Okay, if it is good I will post it. Okay, sure. Let me share you the notations and let me play it. Okay, there you go. Here is the notation below. I will play the metronome. I will play the metronome on 100 BPM and I will use C scale flute. You will also choose this C scale only and use the 100 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me explain what I did. Pani sa pa ga re sa ni, pani sa pa ga re sa, pani sa pa ga re sa ni, pa ma ga re sa. One beat, two notes. 3, 4. Ga ma pa sa ni dha pa ma, ga ma pa sa ni dha pa, ga ma pa sa ni dha, ga ma pa sa ni dha pa ma dha pa ma dha pa. Now here is the tricks. Now I am playing 3. I have written 2 notes in one bar, but reading time you will read 3 notes. Ga ma pa re ga ma sa re ga ni sa re dha ni sa re ma ga re sa ni sa. So here is the tricks. You cannot take breathe. You cannot take breathe in between. So you need to play at a stretch. Dhan ga ma pa re ga ma sa re ga ni sa re dha ni sa re ma ga re sa ni sa. If you are correct, you will see the metronome count will fall, the bell will fall in the sa perfectly. Ga ma pa re, so ga ma pa re ga ma sa re ga ni sa re dha ni sa re ma ga re sa ni sa. Please do practice this. Maybe you will feel a little bit difficult, maybe not, maybe you can play perfectly, but nothing is difficult. If you try hard, you will definitely get success. If you have any problem, you can reach out to me. And try to remember, at the EOD of Tuesday evening, you need to submit this task to me. Okay, all the best. See you in another video.